Hey everybody, this is Jay Moore, and I'm out tonight with my wife for a wonderful date. We are over at Outback Steakhouse, and I'm going to show you a little bit what I'm getting that's in line with my carnivore diet, and to show you that, hey, we can go out, have a great time, enjoy ourselves, and not worry about, all those carbs, but just have the straight meat. Show me the meat. All right, here it is. All right, everybody, here it is. We got some shrimp, and we got my steak, we got the butter. So yeah, this is looking really good. This is what my wife's got over here. She's got the pasta.
I got the carbs.
She's got the carbs. But no carbs over here. All carnivore. All right, here it is. That's good. Yep. Put some butter, put some salt on it. Pepper. Very good. Try this. And dip it in some butter. Delicious. Hey everybody, so after we finished over at Outback Steakhouse, had a wonderful meal, had the shrimp, had the steak, had the butter to dip it in and everything like that. We made it a dinner and a movie, and we're over here at Outhouse Cinema here, and we're having, yes, I'm going to have a glass of wine. Periodically I'm going to do that to just, because my wife and I enjoy. We treat ourselves. There's my beautiful wife. So we're over here at Outhouse Cinemas.